Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at saved forms in your Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. In the main page, in the upper right corner, we can get started connecting our account. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your Google account that you want to access the saved forms from. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is just go ahead and sign up for one, and if you have one, just to log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. This is going to be our home page. This is our main page where we can get started creating a form if you do not already have one, and right here we can take a look at our recent forms. So guys, now we have two options. Either you want to see the saved forms or your forms that you have already created. Those are the forms right here. Under the recent forms section, we can take a look at all the forms we have already created and are saved to our account. So I have my entitled form, I have my other forms, and so on I have created, and I can go ahead and access them and open them from here. But let's say you have saved some different forms from different people. There is no way to save forms from different people that you did not create. They cannot be saved anywhere. So basically what you can go do is go to your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, you'll be able to go ahead and find most of the forms that you have completed from other people. So all the forms you have opened up and accessed are going to go and be saved automatically to your Google Drive. There you want to go and find it and input the name of the form and see if it's going to enable you to find the saved form. But basically this is where you can find your forms you have created, and in Google Drive you can find the forms you have opened up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.